Okay, what's good? What's good? What's going on? This is your boy Mix Buzz. Welcome to the Mix, and today we're gonna have a full session videos, which are gonna show you how the way I mix the whole song from start to finish, from a beat to the vocal up to the master. But in these videos, we're gonna have what we call it individual parties. So this is an intro, and our intro is about preparation before I start a mix. As you can see there to your screen, the way I prepare this project before I start a mix, I start to cut the space, the gap that I see, nothing there. As you can see, my waves here, my tracks, like this part, we have nothing here. I already cut because I just want to save my CPU, as well as arrange well my kick, my bass, my snare, and each and everything, all my bunches of sound. I just arrange it well, as long as I want my mix to be as soon as fast enough. So that's why I decided to prepare before I start a mix. These templates are available. You can come to my description. You can come to my description. You can see right there. Drag your comments there. We're gonna start a mix, but before we do anything, please you just subscribe my YouTube channel. So that's gonna be dope. That's a very huge supportive. Anyway, as you can see, I already color each and everything, and when we come to the mix, we have already arranged our basses. That's gonna help you to for the stars to your mix is gonna be very fast, because everything is already been set. This is a template, and this template already done it for me. What I'm doing is just import my source, and then I start mixing. I never do anything here. All right, I already drop pitch plugins and limiter, because when I start mixing, I started with the limiter. So thank you alright for listening. This is an intro, and this is for the preparations. The next videos, we're gonna start our mix, and we're gonna start with the roots. Roots is in everything. So we're gonna start with the kick, snare, and the bass. How do I mix them? Welcome to the mix.